Ayo, what's up, everybody? What's going on? Welcome to the True Trading Group live stream, folks. Hope you had a great weekend. Hope you had fun, enjoyable, relaxing, healthy, safe, fun weekend, but are ready to get down to business and make some money this week. And that's what we're here tonight to talk about on this live stream. Before I get things started, I first would like to thank our partners over at Benzinga. Your endorsement of our platform that is stated better serves your community, also helps to better serve ours, and we are proud to be partnered with Benzinga and to offer the Benzinga Pro newsfeed, which is worth $1,400 a year. We offer it for free as part of the TeachD platform with an annual membership. Guys, go ahead and give Benzinga a follow on Twitter. Their handle is @Benzinga. Always happy to be partnered up with the team over at Benzinga. Now, guys, listen up. Tonight's going to be a damn good live stream. We've got a lot of stuff going on. We're going to talk about how we plan on making money here this week. Folks, my name is Michael Edward, former award-winning hedge fund trader, now the current head trader at True Trading Group. For those that do not know, TTG is the fastest growing, highest rated online premium trading educational platform and community where we all share the same goal. Okay, where we all share the same goal, and that is to learn, trade, and profit together. 6 nights a week, we go live totally free right here on this YouTube channel with myself. Other teaching moderators and special guests drop golden nuggets and provide free lessons that are going to help you to become a better and more profitable trader. So if you guys are ready to learn, trade, and profit for real, you've come to the right place. Take a moment right now, smash that like button, guys, subscribe to the channel, and let's share this stream on your own social media. Let's reach out, educate, help, and empower as many retail traders as we possibly can. On each and every single one of these live streams, my goal is to educate you. But why should you listen to anything that I talk about on these lives? Folks, I didn't figure this stuff out on my own. I was taught by professional traders. My very first job out of college, 2007, was working for a fund in New York City. Then 2008 happened, the great stock market crash, the housing market crisis, the Great Recession. But during that time period, I actually went on to receive one of the firm's Trader of the Year awards. But before they ever let me touch $1 of their money, I first had to go through an educational training program. I had access to some of the top trading tools, and I was part of a community of like-minded traders. And that is exactly what the True Trading Group platform is based on. Tonight's live stream, we're going to start things off the same way we always do, and that's going to be a Q&A session where we give some time for people to log on and join us here tonight. It's going to be your chance to literally ask me anything. Then I'm going to talk briefly about a True Trading Group membership and what we are offering for anyone that signs up tonight, followed by this week's stock market outlook, including some lessons and golden nuggets of education on how I plan to make money this week. We'll check out the futures market. We're down just slightly right now in the futures market. We're going to talk about what to expect coming into this week. Then we are going to be giving away right here on this live stream either a brand new Porsche Macan or $50,000 cash. One lucky TTG member is going to be $50,000 richer at the end of this live stream, or they're going to be driving home in a brand new Porsche Macan. So I can't wait. I'm super excited. I'm stoked. I can't wait to do the giveaway. And we got a lot of members that are on here ready, excited for that giveaway. I can't wait. We're gonna have a lot of fun here tonight, guys, with that giveaway. And then last but not least, once we finish that up, I will show you the entire TeachD platform. For anyone that is interested, I'll show you guys exactly what True Trading Group has to offer, exactly what is included with your membership. Before I continue, we're going to post a link in the chat right now. This is a backup link. Should this stream get closed down, we're not expecting any issues with the live stream here tonight, but just in case, here is that link. Guys, save this link we're typing in chat right now. And if this live stream goes down for whatever reason, you guys can use this link, save it, meet us there if this live stream goes down. So there's that link. We're posting it right in chat right now. So you guys can go ahead and save that link. I don't see us posting it yet, but guys, keep your eye out for that link. All right, so there you guys have it. All right, so you guys have it. So there's that link. We're posting it right there in chat. Okay, guys, listen up, listen good. We are about to start the Q&A session in just a minute. All right, you guys literally have myself, a trader of 17 years, with 17 years of trading experience, telling you to ask me anything. So what I want you guys to start doing right now is to understand this. First, start typing your questions right in chat. Okay, start typing your questions right in chat. Okay. Understand there's no such thing as a stupid question. Understand that there's no reason for you guys to feel embarrassed or feel shy about the questions that you're going to be asking on this live stream. Understand that, yes, I've been doing this for 17 years, but I also had a day one. There was also a point in time where I needed to ask questions, whether how elementary I thought that they were. I had to ask those questions. That is how you learn. So do not feel embarrassed or shy to ask questions. If you have a question, believe me, somebody else on this live stream has that exact same question. So without any further ado, folks, go ahead right now and begin typing your questions right in chat, and let's start that Q&A. Are you giving now the path? No, we're not. We will do it later. Okay, we will do it later. A little bit later on this live stream, we will give away the code word for the Porsche Macan. So like I said, guys, we are giving away either a brand new Porsche Macan or $50,000 cash. Okay, so the way that this is going to go down, the way this is going to work is later on this live stream, I'm going to provide you with a code word. Okay, so how this works, how this giveaway works, you will get a code word later on this live stream. All right, you'll get a code word later on this live stream. Once that code word is issued, later on when we do the actual giveaway, the winner, Adam, who's my business partner and co-founder of True Training Group, Adam will then call that person. That person will have to give Adam the code word. If they do not know the code word, we will then draw from that raffle again, and we will choose another member. So you all want to be paying very close attention as we go through this live stream, because we will be giving away that code word later on this live. Do you recommend losing baggies and booking the loss so you can fight another day? Alan, yes, I do. So I don't recommend people just hold on to baggies. I recommend people to just cut your losses, cut your baggies. You know, if you're holding on to a stock, you're down 50, 60% on it, just get the hell out of it. Just get out of it. Start fresh. It's such a thorn in your side. You have capital that is just sitting in that position. And what happens? You end up holding that stock forever. It's like what was supposed to be a quick trade turns into a long-term investment. Okay. It literally turns into a long-term investment, you know? And that's just not what I recommend from anybody. You know, it's like, I think that you're better off cutting bait on the losing trade, take that capital and put it to work somewhere else. Because what happens? You end up holding on to this position. You're down 40, 50, 60% on it, waiting for the company to come out with a press release. That's not a good trading strategy. Just waiting for a press release. Not a good strategy, guys. So, you know, my advice to my members when they join True Trading Group and they've got or they're holding on to some bad positions, they're down a lot, just get out of it. This way, when you open up your trading account, you're also not staring this in the face. You're also not staring in the face how much money that you are down. You know, because that's also something that can kind of mess with your head a little bit. So I tell them, just get out of it. Get out of it, cut the loss, realize the loss, take the money that's left from that position and move on and put it to work somewhere else instead of having it just sit there dead. Explain the difference between adding to your position or averaging down. Why is averaging down bad? So Ladina Sipes, adding to your position and averaging down, technically, averaging down is a form of adding to your position, but adding to your position is not necessarily a form of averaging down. So when you add to your position, some people add to their position once they get confirmation of the pattern or whatever it is that they're looking for. So, you know, tier trading is something that I teach our members in True Trading Group, and that is going to be something where you will tier your way into a position to where you can take a tier 1 position, which means tier 1 is 25% of your desired size. So let's say you wanted to buy 1,000 shares, buying 250 shares would be a tier 1 position. That's when you think you see something, you're not quite sure. You think you see something, you're to go in there, you're going to buy that 25% of your position. And then if you get confirmation that whatever it is you thought you saw is in fact correct, then you're going to add up to get up to your full size position. So that will be an example of adding to your position. Averaging down is you buy a stock at 10, it goes down to 9, and you buy more. So you're buying more as the stock is going down. I will never recommend that an inexperienced trader ever averages down. A lot of traders get themselves into trouble when they average down. A lot. And inexperienced traders have a very hard time distinguishing the difference between the setup is still very much intact and I can get a cheaper price versus this is a failed trade. The stock is going down and you are just buying more as the stock is going down. Inexperienced traders have a hard time making that distinction between those two scenarios. So also averaging down requires a much more stricter form of risk management that inexperienced traders do not usually have. So when people join True Trading Group, I will never tell an inexperienced trader to average down. I think they should stay away from it completely. I think that's how you get yourself into a lot of trouble. If you're an experienced trader, you're consistently profitable, you've been trading for a long time, there are moments and times where averaging down could be beneficial and could make sense. But those are conversations that I reserve to have with experienced traders. I think the risk reward of an inexperienced trader or an amateur trader averaging down on their positions, I think the risk far outweighs the reward. Mike, if you're going to trade and it hasn't hit your stop loss and it's the end of the day, do you hold overnight? Not usually, Chris. If you want to hold on to some of your position, you can, but I don't think that you should hold your entire position overnight. Don't turn a day trade into a swing trade unless the stock has done exactly what you thought it was going to do. If the stock has not done what you thought it was going to do, I wouldn't turn a day trade into a swing trade. Okay. The other reason why if you want to stay in it and it hasn't triggered your stop loss, I would reduce your risk overnight because you have the risk of the overnight gap going against you, whether you're long or short, whatever. The stock can gap up or can gap down. So you have this risk of the stock gapping against you. And that gap will probably be bigger than where your intended stop loss was on the day trade. So I think in that case, you would need to reduce your size a little bit before the close to account for the risk of that gap going against you. I don't think you should ever just hold full size going into the close if the stock has not done what you thought it was going to do. COVID-19 have more variants? Is it would make overall market down this week? I don't know, man. This COVID-19, now they're talking about this Lambda variant that, supposedly now this Lambda variant might be can evade vaccines. Okay, my sound is jacked up, so let's try using a different mic, guys. Okay, we're going to try using a different mic since having some audio issues, guys. So we'll see if I can change mics and we'll see if that fixes things. All right, guys. How's this? Is this any better? Perfect. Okay, so this is better. Good. Okay, so COVID-19 Delta variants. Right now the markets are down. We're down 0.3%. I really still believe that the only way that the markets really go down because of COVID is if we get a lockdown. I really think that's the only way the market's going to go down if we, because of COVID. As long as we have no lockdown, I don't think the market will go down because of COVID. All right. I mean, listen, if the Delta variant or if the Lambda variant does get completely out of control, which right now your health officials are not expecting it to get completely out of control. You actually have Dr. Gottlieb, who is the former FDA commissioner. He also sits on the board of Pfizer and Merck. You have Dr. Gottlieb anticipating a Delta variant peak in the United States around August 14th. It's already August 8th. So if the Delta variant is going to peak in about a week, then we'll be just fine. If this Lambda variant, I don't even know if I'm saying that correctly, comes across and we find out that this Lambda variant can completely evade vaccines altogether, and it's got a higher death rate, it's got this higher hospitalization rates, it's worse than Delta, and it gets completely out of control. And if there's ever a scenario where the vaccines are proven to be 100% ineffective to some new variant, yeah, the markets are not going to like that, and the markets could absolutely go down. I don't foresee that being the reason the markets go down this week, because there's just simply not enough data yet on this Lambda variant or any other future variant. There's not enough information on it. There's not enough data around it where the market's going to react to that. What the markets will react to is the potential of any particular lockdown. If you join TTG, you get a Lambo variant. I like that. I like that. The new Lambo variants. Hey, Mike, interested in joining TTD, wondering if you teach swing trading as well. What's the ideal swing trade? Well, lads, absolutely, we teach swing trading. So intra trading group guys, understand that we do everything. We day trade and we swing trade. We trade stocks and we trade options. We trade small caps, we trade mid caps, and we trade large caps. True Trading Group is not just me. There are 7 other professional traders as moderators in there, where we all have different trading styles and strategies. So there's literally something for everybody. Every single day in chat, there are day trades and swing trades being called out by our moderators. We have some of our moderators specifically only do swing trades. Okay, their focus is on swing trades. They swing trade stocks, and we also swing trade options. We day trade options, and we also day trade stocks. There's literally something for everyone inside of True Trading Group. And if you want to worry about teaching swing trading, we also have a course. We also have a course entirely focused on swing trading alone. All right, guys, we're going to go back to our other microphone now, so give me a second. Let me switch my mic. All right, how about this, guys? How's this audio? Okay, now this is better. Yeah, other mic was better. Yeah, a couple people saying that the other mic was better. Yeah, this was the first one. Maybe I just had to unplug it and replug. Maybe the connection was just a little bit bad. Hey, Mike, how many losing days in a row until you decide it is best to stop trading for a week or two? It's a tough question because I don't think you should decide to stop trading for a week or so based on the number of days in which you are red, because there's a huge difference between, let's say, 3 really small red days in a row and 3 disaster red days in a row. Also, the way in which you're having the red days, did you get caught in like a piece of news that came out in the middle of the day? Was it a good setup and it just didn't work out? Or did you make a mistake? Did you break your rules? Did you buy too much position size? Did you get yourself into a high risk situation that you maybe were not position sized for? Like, there's so many other variables that will go into, I think, me advising someone to maybe take a little bit of a break. I think it's more important, not necessarily how many red days in a row that you're having, but more so like where you are mentally, like where you are from a mental state. You know, if you can wake up and you can sit back down at your desk and not think about the money you lost the day prior, you're fine. Keep going. If you wake up in the morning and you sit down at your desk, you're frustrated, all you're thinking about is the money that you've lost the last couple of days, and you find yourself almost expecting to lose, then you're in a completely different state of mind. Your mental capital is shot. You might as well just call it a day and walk away. And then give yourself like a week or so or a couple of days where you just kind of take a break. You stop trading a little bit, clear your head, you know, do anything that takes your mind completely off of trading. Don't look at the markets. Don't follow the markets. Just completely detach so that when you sit back down at your desk, and I always tell people this, like sometimes when people are coming off like a string of bad days or bad trades, or if you just had a really big loss, if you sit back down at your desk and the very first thing you think about is not my game plan for the day and my watch list, but the first thing you think about is the money that you lost yesterday or the money that you lost in that previous trade. If that's the first thing that comes to your mind, you've got to shut your computer back down. You've got to get back up. You got to walk away. You're not ready yet. When you do sit back down at your desk, if that's the first thing you're thinking about, you're putting yourself in a lot of danger. You know, you're talking about revenge trading. You're talking about trading scared. You're talking about trading without any confidence. It's just a not a good mental place for you to be. And that's when you really want to, like, when that's what you feel, when those emotions are what you feel, that's when you want to step away and you want to stop trading, you know, because you can have 3 red days in a row, but they could be 3 small red days. And they were just like, hey, you're trading, you know, you're managing your risk. The trade just didn't work out. You know, they're just kind of paper cuts. Yeah. Okay. You can, and you know, you can keep going just fine, but you can have like just one really bad day. And that one really bad day could really mess with you. And the next day, all you're thinking about is the money you lost the day before. So it's like, yeah, it could be one day can tell you, hey, take a break for a week. It could be 3 or 4 days. I can say, hey, take a break for a week. It all depends on how you had those red days. All right, guys, I'll take like maybe 2 or 3 more questions. Mike, first month at TGD, I've made 20K trading without a stop loss. First week of August trading with stop loss. I didn't have one green trade. What can be wrong? Most likely, Sunshine, your stop losses are most likely in the wrong place. That's most likely what's happening. It's not a... Listen, you didn't go from making 20K in a month. Now all of a sudden you don't know how to trade anymore. Most likely what's happening is you were making that money without the stop loss because you were getting yourself into really good situations and high probability patterns and setups without the stop loss, which gave the stock the freedom to move around and consolidate before eventually breaking and making its move. And now that you're setting physical stop losses, what's happening most likely is that you are setting your stop losses too tight. And then during that consolidation, you are getting stopped out. That's most likely what I'm going to assume without having looked at your individual trades. I'm going to have to assume that that is what is probably going on. And I would say to go back through all of your trades for this month of August we're now, how many trading days? We had 5 trading days so far in the month of August. So if you've had 5 red days, you've got to go back and you have to look at all of those trades. And you have to see where your stop loss is. You know, there most likely you're setting your stop loss too close to the support level. Make sure that whatever pattern it is that you're looking at, that you're identifying that support level and your stop loss is beneath it. It has to be beneath that support level. It can't be at the support level. It can't be above the support level. It can't be inside the support level. Support levels are not one price. Support levels are just that, a level. It is an area. So if someone says, hey, a stock has support at $10, if the stock gets to $9.95, that does not mean the support is broken. That is the support level. So if you see a stock, hey, there's support at $10 and you set your stop loss at $9.94, yes, you're going to get stopped out. The stock's going to go to $9.88, $9.90. Then it's going to go back to $10.50 and then $11. You have to understand the level of support, the area of support, and set your stop beneath it. All right. So my advice to you would be take a day off tomorrow. Don't trade tomorrow. Just do homework. Go through all of your trades if you haven't done them already. Look at all the chart setups, identify that support level, and see if maybe your stop loss was in the wrong place. All right, guys, we'll take maybe one or two more questions, and then we will move on to the next topics of our live. Don't be shy, guys. Take those questions right in chat. For swing trading, is volume as important to the breakout as it is for day trading? Depends on the stock, man. It depends. It depends. I'll tell you this, because it's a lot easier to identify the volume breakouts on small caps than it is identifying volume breakouts on large caps. The reason for that is because small caps typically will have very low volume, very low liquidity until there's a catalyst. That catalyst could be a press release from the company. It could be some type of news within the sector itself that causes that spike in volume. Now, that spike in volume, when a small cap comes into play, let's say a small cap's in play for about a week or so, right? Leading up to like the 3 months, the 6 months, the year going into that, when the stock is in play, the stock might trade 100,000 shares a day, 200,000 shares a day. Then all of a sudden, the company comes out with a press release. It trades 65 million shares in one day. So it's going to be a lot easier to identify that big difference in volume than something like Facebook, Microsoft. It's going to be a lot different for you to identify that in like Apple, Nvidia. It's like it's not because those stocks trade so much volume every single day. So it's going to be a little bit different. So it's like, just because you're looking at a daily chart and you're looking for a swing trade setup, don't necessarily just be fixated so much on the volume on this specific day, because you can still very easily have a breakout day on a large cap and not have this huge volume to go with it. So it's a little bit more important when you're looking at small caps. It's less important when you're looking at large caps, just because, not to say the volume is not important, but the distinction, the increase will be far more drastic on the small cap than it will be the large cap, if that makes sense. Okay, guys. All right, guys, that just about does it. All right, guys, that just about does it there for the Q&A. You guys asked some really great questions there on the Q&A. What I will do right now is I'm going to now provide you all with the code word for tonight's giveaway. So as I stated earlier, tonight is our Porsche or $50,000 giveaway. So one lucky TTG member is going to be $50,000 richer or driving home in a brand new Porsche Macan. And later on this live stream, we are doing that giveaway. There is a code word. If your name is selected later for the giveaway, Adam is going to call you. Adam is the co-founder and my partner in True Trading Group. He is going to call you. You must know the code word. The code word for tonight's giveaway is lifetime. No one repeat this code word in chat. Do not type the code word in chat. If you type the code word in chat at any point during this live stream, you will be automatically disqualified. If you type the code word in chat, you are automatically disqualified. Do not type this code word in chat. The code word again is lifetime. We will leave it on the screen for 60 seconds. Write it down, remember it, memorize it, because if your name is called later on this live stream, if you do not know this code word when Adam calls you, we will redraw another person's name. Okay, if anyone comes on this live stream and says, hey guys, I came in late, what's the code word? Do not type it to them. If you type this code word in chat, you will be disqualified. The code word is lifetime. All right, the code word is lifetime. All right, we're going to leave it up there, like I said, for 60 seconds as I move on to the rest of this live stream. Guys, listen, that was a really great Q&A session. I hope you guys gained something out of it. That's my goal. You know, like if you guys have questions, most likely somebody else in the live stream has questions too. All right. You know, somebody else probably has that exact same question. So listen, if you're not a member of True Trading Group, if I did not get to answer your question, don't worry. We do this 6 nights a week. Make sure you click the subscribe button and the notification bell icon so you never miss out on any one of these live streams. And I will grab your live stream. I'll grab your question on the next live stream. Speaking of new people or non-TTG members, let's actually see what we're working with here, people. So what I'd like you all to start doing is to type the number 1 in chat if this is your very first TTG live stream or you are not a member of True Trading Group. Again, if you're not a member or this is your first live stream, type the number 1 in chat right now. Okay, Muhammad Hussein, Karom Brantley, Lucas Dangon, Alex Kleiman, Yolern Kim, Stacy Eberhard, Mike Mix, Valentine Sikora, Bosco Rivas, Richard Hastings, Willie Wondering, Nando, Alamayu, Daishan Jack, Patrick Carney, Amjad Muhammad, Hang Acevedo, Amanda Turcott, Manakit Singh, Tarun, Luke Simpson, Pete D, Rika Danister, Robert Pierpoint, Avraham Dier, Christian Hua, Florville Joseph, Gil. This is beautiful. Got a lot of number 1s here. Dale, Jalis, Kevin Barnett, Eli Ray, Maria, Debbie. Beautiful, guys. Sam King, Finder Keeper. This is great. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. All right. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Gang, listen up real quick. For before I move on to the topics here, the live stream, remember we're talking about the weekly outlook here tonight. We're going to talk about where we're going to be looking to make some money, and then we've got that big giveaway later on this live stream. Before we do, I want you all to understand something. First, foremost, True Trading Group is the highest rated and fastest growing premium educational platform for traders that's all about results. Okay, we help people reach their goals of becoming consistent, profitable traders by combining top-notch education, premium tools from companies like TradingView, Benzinga, Quote Media, Trade Ideas, and more. And we are a community where we all share the same goal, and that is to learn, trade, and profit together. Before I get into the main topics, I do need to give you all a quick heads up. Listen up here really quick. A 1-year membership to True Trading Group is normally $2,212, but from now until midnight Pacific tonight will be your last chance to save 40% and pay only $1,321. And the next 25 people that sign up for a TTG membership will receive a free laptop. Yes, we do cover shipping. Yes, we do ship globally. We have stretched our supplies thin, ladies and gentlemen, but we have been fortunate to continue to receive them in small batches. So I'm not going to say this will be the last night that we have laptops, but I will say that they are not guaranteed beyond these 25 laptops. Okay, so the next 25 people to join will get themselves a brand new free laptop. It's our gift to you for joining the TTG family. Guys, listen up. TTG is the Netflix of trading communities. That's how I want you to look at us. You pay one price, you get access to every single thing we have and everything that we offer for just one price for the entire year. With TTG's annual membership, you're going to be getting a professional 17-course curriculum that is a simplified version of the education I received when I was working at the fund in New York City. There's beginner courses and advanced courses. There's also courses on options, swing trading, trader psychology. Okay, there's even courses on crypto. They're all in text and video format. You get access to literally all of them. All right. There are no special VIP or pro courses that cost more money. When you join, you get access to every single course we have. You also get Benzinga Pro's real-time news feed, which gives you live breaking up to the second news alerts directly inside of our chat. You get Colt Media's full book level 2, which shows you all the market maker depth inside of level 2. Trading Views Pro charting software, which is one of the most commonly used charting softwares by active traders. You also get a trade simulator that lets you trade stocks and options with fake money with real-time data while you practice implementing what you've learned in the courses. You also get to use our our trade idea scanner. Our trade idea scanner, guys, is the industry standard. It's going to show you stocks making new highs, new lows, an unusual volume surge. That's broken down and segmented into small cap, mid cap, large cap on that scanner, depending on what it is that you trade. That'll make sure that you're always focused on the best stocks that give you the highest chance to profit during the day. You get access to our chat room where the moderators and I share our screen. Throughout the course of the day, we're live on the microphone, talking to you, calling out trades, calling out opportunity, calling out all of our trades in advance of actually making them, which is something that we do on a daily basis. And you guys can send us private messages in chat. We answer questions all day long. We're there with you from pre-market till after the close. We're not gone after 2 hours and you're left to fend for yourselves. And we are currently sporting well over an 80% win rate in chat between myself and the other moderators. We do live workshops and webinars every week. We do one-on-one mentor programs with our lifetime members. We do small private study groups. This is your chance to get that individualized attention and get help on lessons, topics that you're really struggling with, and really to be able to talk to one of the TTG moderators. And then, of course, we do a lot of giveaways, right? We do a lot of giveaways. Every time we get 300 new TTG members, we give away a brand new Tesla or $30,000 cash. Every time we get 150 new lifetime members, we give away a brand new Porsche or $50,000 cash. Right here tonight, later on this live stream, folks, we are giving away either $50,000 or a brand new Porsche to one lucky TTG member. You guys stick around. We're going to be doing that giveaway in just a little short while. But the next 25 people that join True Training Group, you will be getting a brand new free laptop and a 40% discount when you use the coupon code TTG121. You actually have to enter the coupon code TTG121 and then click apply code in order to get the 40% discount. You will know that you are one of the 25 laptops if you go to your checkout cart, as you can see on the screen right now, and you see a laptop in your checkout cart. If you do not see a laptop in your checkout cart, that means we have completely sold out of laptops. But if you do see one, that means you are securing one of those 25 laptops. Folks, before I move on, I want to make sure everybody also understands that I believe and stand behind my program and the education that we've created at True Training Group. So much so to the point that I provide and offer a money-back guarantee because results matter. Over 80% of our members are successful, meaning they're making money and going on to become better traders. If that was not the case, I would not be able to offer you a money-back guarantee with a straight face. But I stand behind my program. I put my money where my mouth is, and that is why if you commit to me, I will commit to you. Here's the deal. Anyone that goes through all of the courses, passes the quizzes at the end of the courses, and attends one private study group, if you do those three things, put in just a little bit of effort, if you still do not make back your membership fee, which tonight is $1,321 until midnight Pacific tonight, if you don't make that amount of money back at least once during your membership, I will give you a full refund. I'll give you a full refund. I'm not kidding. Everything I'm telling you right now, it is on our website, so you know you're getting exactly what I'm saying to you here today. Because at the end of the day, folks, results matter. And if you commit to me, I will commit to you. Use coupon code TTG121 right now. Get a 40% discount on our membership. Get yourself a brand new free laptop and get yourself a money-back guarantee. All right? So there you have it, folks. Now what I'd like to do is I'd like to move on and go over with you the stock market outlook for the week. And let's talk about where we're going to make some money, right? That's what everybody wants to know. Where are we going to make some money here this week? Let's pull up my charts. Let's pull up my trusty TC2000. Let's pull this up. Let's break this down and let's start talking about some levels. Let's talk about some levels, okay? Because we have a very clear channel. We have a very clear channel here on the SPY. Okay, this is a very, very clear channel, all right? These are the levels that I want you all to pay very close attention to. All right? These are the levels I want you to pay very close attention to. Because we've developed this 2-week channel. All right? We developed this 2-week channel. Let me actually see if I can peel this back a little bit. Hold on 1 second. Can I grab this? Is it too far? There we go. That's what I wanted. All right, so here we have it. All right? So what you will notice is a very clearly defined channel. All right? This is a 2-week long channel. You can see clear as day. I'll zoom in even further. Support at 436 on the SPY. Resistance, 442. All right. 436 support, 442 resistance. What happened on Friday? On Friday, we popped our head above 442. So we popped our head above 442. What I'm going to look for tomorrow and for the remainder of the week is for the SPY to stay above 442. Now, if the SPY gets to 441.80, does that mean 442 is broken? No. Okay, if the SPY holds 441.75, 441.80, 441.90, and then gets up to 442, 442.50, that to me, consider the top end of this range still holding. All right, you can bring this all the way down to 441. Honestly, you can bring this all the way down to 441, and if we hold 441 and get back to 442, 442.50, that's a bullish sign. So tomorrow, I don't want to see the SPY below 441. The SPY gets below 441, I'm going to take a step back. I'll say we are right back inside of this channel. It'll be a no trade for me on the SPY. It'll be a no trade for me on the SPY if we get below 441. My goal here this week is to profit from call options on the SPY as the SPY had closed and hit new all-time highs on Friday. I want to see, call it 441.50 to 442, call it that little range. I want to see that hold. Now, we are down slightly here to start the futures session. Kyle, welcome to the TTG family. Everyone give Kyle a big warm welcome, folks. Newest member to the TTG family. Welcome, Kyle. We now only have 24 laptops left. Guys, I do not know when's the next time we're going to get these laptops. Adam is really doing backflips with these wholesalers to get these laptops for you guys. So we've got 24 of them left. You guys got to use coupon code TTG121. You'll get the 40% discount, and the next 24 people will get a brand new laptop. Remember, it's totally free, the laptop, guys. We ship globally. We even cover the shipping cost for you. We have members from all over the world, literally. Okay? Now, let's get back to this level here on the SPY. All right. I'm looking right now, because right now, if we look at the futures market, we are at about, let me just pull it up real quick. Let me pull the futures. We're at 441. Okay. So right now we're 4416.75. We're down about 0.3 of a point. We're down about 0.3 of a point right now on SPY futures. So we're at about 441.70. If the SPY was to open up right now, we'd be at around 441.70. So where's 441.70? Right there. So see this line that I just drew? That's right where we're at. This line right here. That's where we're at. So if we open up tomorrow and do something, let me actually, this is going to cooperate. So we open up tomorrow. I can't draw it over here. I'm too zoomed in. I can't draw it if I'm that far zoomed in. But if we open up tomorrow, and you see, if we opened up right here, 441.70, and then all of a sudden we pushed up to 442.50, that to me is a buy signal. That to me, I'm going to look to get myself 443 or 444 strike call options, expiration next Monday. All right. So what I'm going to look for is going to be the August 16th expiration August 16th expiration, call option, 443 or 444 strike call option. I will say it again. If the SPY opens up tomorrow around 441.70 and all of a sudden you see we are at 442.50, 442.75, I will look at the August 16th expiration, either the 443 or 444 strike call options. All right. That is where I'm going to be looking to make money here this week. Now, flip side. If tomorrow we open below that level, let's say tomorrow we open up at like 441. If we open up at 441, where's 441? Right there. There's that level. We open up below 441. Where does that put us? Right back inside of this channel. If we open up right back inside of this channel, folks, I'm taking a step back. Derek's not taking a step back. Derek's taking a giant leap forward. Everyone, welcome Derek to the TTG family. Everyone, welcome Derek, the newest member of the crew. We now only have 23 laptops left. Use coupon code TTG121, get a 40% discount, and get yourself a brand new laptop while the supplies still last. Don't forget, folks, I'm offering you a money-back guarantee. You commit to me, I promise I will commit to you. Get that money-back guarantee, get yourself a free laptop, and get yourself a 40% discount, and get your butt in chat tomorrow. Guys, we were green across the board last week. Green, 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 Monday through Friday last week. We're going to keep that momentum going this week, and I'm looking at the SPY tomorrow. I want to see, do we hold that level? Because Friday was a clean break outside of this wedge. We gapped above it. We stayed above it, right? We gapped above it. We stayed above it. Look at that candle. Gapped above it, stayed above it. So we are set up beautifully to continue higher. We're set up beautifully to continue higher. You know, I'm expecting maybe 445, 446 this week. But that's only if the top end of this prior channel holds, right? That's only if the top end of that prior channel holds. That's going to be one of my main focuses tomorrow. So again, recap. If the SPY is below 441 tomorrow morning, hands off. No trade. Leave it alone. We're going to be right back inside of that channel. But if the SPY opens above 442, we're looking at call options. If the SPY opens like 441.70, 441.50, and is very quickly 442, 442.50, call options. Okay? Call options. All right, so that's what I'm going to be looking at there, guys, on the overall markets. That's where I'm looking at on the overall markets. Jackie, welcome. Everyone, welcome Jackie to the TTG family, our latest and newest. Jackie, welcome. We now only have 22 laptops left, guys. Okay, you've got to use the coupon code TTG121. Get yourself that brand new free laptop. Get yourself a 40% discount and get yourself a money-back guarantee. What do you guys have to lose? I'm literally sitting here offering you a money-back guarantee. Worst case scenario, you sign up. If you do not make your membership fee back at least once after doing those three things, I'm going to give you all your money back. And you're going to get to keep a brand new free laptop in the meantime. Best case scenario, you join True Trading Group, you become a consistently profitable trader, you reach financial goals you never thought possible, and you get to keep a brand new free laptop. 80% of our members are becoming better traders and they are making money. Guys, results flat out matter. Results matter. And because of the results that our members are seeing, I'm able to offer you that money back guarantee. And if you don't believe me, I want you to watch this. I want you all to watch this real quickly. Guys, if you are a member of True Trading Group, if you are making money and you're becoming a better trader, type the number 1 in chat right now. Sound off. Sound off in chat right now. Type the number 1 if you are a member and you're making money and becoming a better trader. Now, anyone that's not a member, if this is your first live stream with us or you're just not a member, look at this. Look at this. Look at how many number 1s are about to come through this side of the screen now. Just look at the chat. Watch the chat. Look at all the number 1s that are coming through. Those, my friends, are TTG family members that are sitting here telling you, I took the leap. I joined the group. I got a professional education. I am now becoming a better trader and I am making money. Do not listen to me. Don't take it from me. What do my words mean? I can talk to you until I'm blue in the face. At the end of the day, there's no greater referral than one of your peers. And there is no difference between all of these people that are typing the number one in chat and you. All these people that are typing the number one, they found True Trading Group the same way you did, folks, and that's a live stream. If they can do it, so can you. We are 5-star rated on Trustpilot. 1,329 people have taken the time out of their day to leave us a review on Trustpilot. I welcome, encourage, and invite all of you that are not members, go read those reviews. Factor in the reviews you read on Trustpilot, plus all of the people you just saw type the number one in chat, and then decide if you want to get yourself a professional education that'll come along with a 40% discount, a brand new laptop, and a money-back guarantee. Because at the end of the day, results matter. Okay? So there you have it, folks. All right? So that's how I plan on making money there. That's how I plan on making money there in the SPY. What I'll do real quickly, guys, before we get into the real fun tonight, the real fun tonight is going to be that Porsche 50K giveaway. Let's just touch on just a couple of stocks that I've gotten a lot of questions about. A lot of people have asked me about Robinhood. A lot of people have asked me about AMC. Let's talk about it real quick. But first, we're going to welcome Maria. Maria, welcome to the TGG family. Everyone give a big warm welcome to Maria, the newest and latest member of the TGG family. Folks, there's now only 21 laptops left. That's it, 21 laptops left. Use coupon code TTG121, get yourself a brand new free laptop and a 40% discount. And, of course, a money-back guarantee. And, hell, give yourself a chance to be part of the next giveaway. Our next giveaway was going to be a Tesla or $30,000. It's a lot of money. All you need to do is be a member to be part of our next giveaway, folks. That's it. Just be a member, and you qualify for that giveaway for a chance to win a brand new Tesla or $30,000 bucks. All right. Let's go to the charts real quick, guys. Real quick. A lot of people asking me about Robinhood. Let's talk about Robinhood. All right. Big level here, man. Big level here. This gap fill. Man, this gap fill down around 48 to 50. This gap fill is an important one. All right. This gap fill is an important one. What I'm going to look for here on Robinhood, honestly, Friday's action intrigued me. You also had a couple of members from CNBC's commentary team. I think it was Pete Najarian was one of them, actually bought call options on Robinhood. Mr. Wonderful also bought Robinhood. So you have a couple of people on CNBC that are long Robinhood at this price, and that's bringing some attention to the name. As if it needed more attention, right? But that's bringing more attention to that side of the trade. Now, we had this huge gap here, and this is a big gap, all right? This was a big gap up. And we pulled back in, and we did not quite fill that gap. We didn't quite fill that gap, but this stock was so insanely volatile, we missed the gap fill by about $1.50, $2. Now, to miss the gap fill by about $1.50, $2 when the stock literally had moved $50 in 2 days, it's like saying a stock that moves $5 in 2 days missed its gap fill by 25 cents. Kevin, welcome. Everyone welcome Kevin to the TGG family. We now only have 20 laptops left. Use that coupon code, guys, TTG121. So for all intents and purposes, let's call it a gap fill. All right. We then kind of filled that gap. We got a small little bounce on Friday. I am looking for this to continue. I am like Friday's action actually has me leaning to the long side. I'm leaning to the long side here on Robinhood. I'm leaning to the long side. You know, before Friday's candle, I looked at this kind of as a real bearish candle. And I was going to say, if we did something like this on Friday, then I was going to say, yeah, that's a sign of weakness. Just let it drift back down to 40. But the fact that we had this little snapback day from 50 back to 60, and the stock kind of slowed itself down, the volatility kind of took a little bit of a pause. I like that. I like this little hesitation here. I like this little pause day. Okay. I like that little pause. So let's see what happens here. If you get a red day tomorrow, look for a bounce off of 50. And when I say 50, that means it could be 49. It could be 51. I mean, this is a very, very volatile stock. Okay. This is a very, very volatile stock. Okay. So it's like, I'm going to look for that area to be potential support if you get a red day tomorrow. If we get a little bit of a green day tomorrow, let's say the markets are red, but then Robinhood is up maybe 5, 8, 9%. We're going to look then, guys, for this to continue, this to make another move back up into the mid to high 60s. I would look for a mid to high 60s. If you see Robinhood tomorrow is at like 58, 59, I would look for a move up towards 65. And I'm going to be there. Okay. I'll be there. Okay. So that's Robinhood. That's what I'm looking for and thinking about there. Let me just touch upon AMC real quick because I get a lot of questions about both of these stocks. My thoughts on AMC is still bearish. Okay. Okay. So my thoughts here on AMC is you have this support level. All right. You have this support level right here at the 100-day moving average. All right. You've got this support level here right at the 100-day moving average where we're getting a little bit of a bounce. Now, I do believe that it is very possible for you to see a bounce off of this level similar to what we saw here and similar to what we saw here. Okay, both of these levels were support, and AMC tends to have pretty strong bounces off of support levels. Okay, I'll just draw this out for you. You'll see here AMC, first when AMC tested that support level, look what happened. You got a nice strong bounce off of it. Then AMC filled its gap. Okay, this was the gap fill. So here you had this gap right here. We filled that gap, and that gap became what? That gap became support. And then look at what happened. We got a nice bounce off of that level. Now you're getting down to your next level of support, which is around $28. $28 was previous support back here in late May, but it's also your 100-day moving average. So I do think it is very possible that you could get another bounce candle similar to what you saw here, similar to what you saw here off of this support level, and maybe get back up into the mid to high 30s, maybe get back up to 36, 37, 38. Okay. I think you can get one of those like dead cat bounce type of moves that takes you back up into the mid to high 30s. I no longer have a position on AMC. I traded it very actively. I traded on the way up. I traded put options on the way down. I was long on the way up. I was in put options on the way down. We made a lot of money trading AMC. I do not have any positions in it right now currently. It's also not really on my radar. I don't foresee myself trading this right now. I think that for an active trader, like which I am, I'm an active trader. I've been very straightforward and honest with you guys regarding my thoughts on AMC from the very beginning. I am an active trader, and I think I see right now more opportunity in something like Robinhood and in something like AMD than I do right now for me as an active trader in something like AMC. So I'm not really looking at AMC for something, but it's still, I get a lot of questions about this stock during the day and each and every single day. So I figure I would talk about it right here on the live stream for just a couple of quick moments. All right. So there you have it, folks. All right, there you guys have it. And also small caps have actually been trading pretty well. Small caps have traded well. We've made some really good money trading small caps over the last week. We've had a couple of really nice moves. You know, we had, what was that? BTBT. You know, BTBT was a great one. Okay, we traded BTBT twice last week. got really great action, got a really great move. So my focus will still be in small caps because I've had really good action there. Now, my small cap watch list, I'll develop that pre-market. I'll see what's gapping up. I'll see what has a catalyst. I'll see what's got volume. Okay. Then I'm also going to be looking at, obviously, the SPY. We talked about that. And then Robinhood. That's my focus. That's my outlook for this week. That's where I plan on making some money. Alex Kleiman asks, is TTG small account friendly? Absolutely, man. Absolutely. Alex Kleiman says, is TTG small account friendly? So, Alex, there's actually a very common misconception is that you need tens of thousands of dollars in order to make money in the markets. Not true. I also have a 2-hour-long workshop that I conducted with members that teaches people how to grow a $500 account to a $25,000 account, what to trade, what setups to look for, specific risk management things you want to implement, the type of trades you want to go after, things you want to avoid, common mistakes and pitfalls. And when I went over this entire thing, it's literally a roadmap to help you grow a $500 account. Okay, it's a 2-hour-long live, well, I did the workshop live with members. We recorded the session and we have loaded it into the video library to help you guys. All right, there is a very large amount of TTG members that started with a small account and have worked that account up to 5 figures. And here, I'll just show you, because again, it's always easier for me to ask members and let them answer questions for you. If you are a member of True Trading Group, if you started with less than $1,000 in your account, do me a favor right now, guys. Comment in chat the amount of money you started with. Tell me where you are at now today. Tell me, where did you start? Where are you now today? Now, Alex Kleiman, anyone else that has that question, is it small account friendly? Just read the comments coming through chat. All right, read the comments coming through chat. Wizard started with $5,000, is now is looking to get out of PDT. Bill Tribbett started with $900, is now at $6,000. No Name started with $3,000, is now at $65,000. Red Hand started with a small account, has grown that account by 57%. Densest Girl has started with $2,500, is now at $11,400. Della Norton started with $500, is now at $2,000. Chris Botsis started with $500, is now at $10,500. Chris, I'm so proud of you, brother. I did not know that you had cracked the $10,000 mark until I just read your comment. Chris, I'm so damn proud of you, brother. Send me a message in chat tomorrow. I'm so damn proud of you. Send me a message in chat tomorrow, Chris. Jenny Wonder is up over 1,900% this year and is getting out of PDT rule. Zuber Koya started with $1,000, is now at $7,000. Brian McKenzie started with $100, is now at $2,200. John Bean started with $150 and is now just over $2,200. Okay, B Patience, $450 is now up over $700 in just a couple weeks. Moneyless went from $1,000 to $6,000. Trent Calendar started with $12,000, is now at $75,000. JC Badua started with $100, is now up over $500. And November Ball, $900 is now up to $21,000. And lastly, I'll end with Jason P. started with $2,000 last August, is now at $38,000. Guys, listen up. This is not a get-rich-quick scheme. These people put in a lot of work to get to where they are here now today. We teach you how to fish. You have to understand this. Trading is not a get-rich-quick scheme. There are so many people out there that don't know their ass from their elbow that try to sell you a secret. Like, I figured out a secret pattern or a secret strategy that Wall Street doesn't want you to know about. It's total bullshit. I worked for a hedge fund in New York. Believe me, if there was a secret, I would know about it. You want to know what the only secret was? I'll tell you what the secret is. For the first 3 months of my employment at the fund, I was in a classroom style setting learning. That's the secret. Think of this. Really think about this for a second. If a fund managing hundreds of millions of dollars would not let their new traders touch their money without first getting an education, why in the world would you touch your money without first getting an education? Do you know better than the fund managing hundreds of millions of dollars? Do you know better than them? Because if trading was some get rich quick scheme and anybody can just, oh, let me just open up an account, let me just buy and sell some stuff. If that's how it was, why then for the first 3 months of my employment, before they ever let me touch $1 of their money, did I first have to go through this intensive training program? It's because that's the secret. Everybody wants to know, well, what's the secret? What's the secret for the hedgies? That's the secret. The secret is that they don't let their traders just go wing it and shoot from the hip. They don't let their traders trade on a hunch or trade on something that they read on Twitter or Reddit. They don't let their traders go and trade off of something that their uncle told them at Thanksgiving dinner. They train them first the proper way to make money in the markets before they let them start to trade their cash. That's the secret. That's true trading group. I am literally teaching you a simplified version of the stuff that I was taught. I didn't figure this stuff out on my own. I'm not special. I'm not smarter than anybody else. I was just taught by other professional traders. And that, my friends, is the difference. And that is why at True Trading Group, we teach you how to fish. I don't want you guys to just rely on me or rely on the other moderators. I want you, what happens if, God forbid, something happens to me next month? You're just going to stop making money in the markets? All my members that you saw type the number 1 in chat that are making money, they're all just going to stop making money? Well, in that case, you don't work for yourself. You're not the ultimate entrepreneur, which traders are. You're not. You have a job. You work for me. And if I disappear one day, you lost your job. I want you guys to be able to identify your own trade opportunities. I want you to be able to take this education. Listen, you can follow my trades if you want. I tell everyone on the microphone before I actually get into a trade. Guys, true or false? I tell everyone on the mic. I come on the microphone during the day and I go, okay, guys, I'm looking at BTBT. I'm looking for a pullback towards 1125. I'm looking to be a buyer in front of 1125. My stop loss will be around 1075. I'm looking for profit targets at 1250, 13. I do that on the microphone every day in chat before I actually enter the trade. True or false? I'll let my members comment that one in chat. So that's what I mean. I want you guys, you can follow my trades if you want, but I want to teach you guys how to fish at the end of the day. Now, let's move on to the main part of this live stream. And you know what that means, folks. It's giveaway time. It is giveaway time. One lucky TTG member is going to be $50,000 richer or will be driving home in a brand new Porsche Macan. What is it going to be? Time will tell. We're going to have to, it's going to be up to the winner. The winner decides. What do you want? Cash or the car? All right. So, guys, without any further ado, let's not waste any more time. My heart is literally coming out of my chest. I love doing these giveaways. I have so much anxiety. To help me do this, guys, I'm bringing on my partner and co-founder in True Trading Group, Adam. He's going to help me go through and do this giveaway, and he's going to walk you guys through and that we use for this giveaway, and he's going to tell you guys how we're going to kind of run this little quick giveaway. So, Adam, go ahead. Take it away.
What's going on, guys? How's it going this evening? So what we're going to do tonight is I'm going to pull up my screen, and on my screen we have something called the Wheel of Names. There we go. Tonight we have 592 True Trading Group lifetime members that have registered for this giveaway tonight, all right? So what we're going to do right now is I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to spin the wheel. It's going to spin for 30 seconds. Okay, after 30 seconds, it's gonna the name's gonna come up on the screen. Whatever the name is, I'm going to verify that they are good to go, and then we are going to call them and either get them on the stream, or we're going to pull them onto the live stream. Okay.
I'm so nervous.
Excuse me.
I am so nervous.
All right. So that is what is happening now.
Wait, can you hear me?
Yeah, I heard you said you're so nervous.
Oh, yeah. My heart is racing literally right now.
Yeah?
Yeah, like literally, like, you know what it feels like? My heart feels like that moment just before the roller coaster pulls away from the station. That's how my heart feels right now. Dude, $50,000 is a lot of money. That's literally life-changing.
No, it definitely is.
$50,000 is a lot of money, and one lucky lifetime member is about to win $50K or a brand new Porsche. Like, when you really think about that, it's absolutely crazy.
Yeah, what's crazy is that we do this all of the time.
I know. It's nuts.
We do this all of the time. All right, now
all right, let's go. Let's do it.
When we go ahead and we spin it, the name comes up. You have to give me the password that we gave out earlier on the stream. Okay? All right. The code word was given out earlier. If you missed it, you are SOL. That's why we tell you to be on the stream. All right. You ready?
Oh.
Let's go.
Oh, my goodness.
On the clock.
Round and round we go. Who's it going to stop on? Nobody knows. Are we spinning?
Oh my God, yeah. What do you mean are we spinning?
Oh, it was like freezing on my end. Wait, okay, we're at the stop. Okay, here we go. Oh my God.
Deepwoodfahib.
Deepwoodfahib.
All right, hang on.
Deepwoodfahib. All right, Adam's got to confirm it, guys. Adam's got to confirm it. Hold on.
1 second, guys. Yeah, we're good to go.
All right, call him.
All right, hang on.
He better know the password.
I think he will.
He better know that. I don't see him typing anywhere in chat, so I haven't seen anyone. Imagine he's not on.
That's on him.
Oh my goodness.
Could you imagine?
Imagine he doesn't know the password, because I don't see anyone freaking out in chat right now. I see a lot of congrats. I mean, maybe he's running around naked in his house doing cartwheels. I'm not sure.
Nope. Hang on. One second.
Yep. All right, those are the rules, guys. Adam's going to call him. He's got to know the passcode. If you don't know the passcode, we spin again. So hang tight.
I'm working on it.
Nick D goes, be right back. I'm changing my username to deepwoodfahib.
Okay. Got it. All right, stand by.
See if you can get it too, Adam, like by your mic so we can hear him.
Yep. He better know the password.
Soccer mom goes, Adam, you pronounced my name wrong.
It's okay.
Damn, I thought you would never call.
That's amazing.
I am here.
You got to give me the code word, bud.
Buddy, I've got it. Lifetime.
Nice. There we go.
I'm in freaking Mexico, and half the time the phone call won't go through.
Nice. I know. I got your message earlier. That's awesome. You gotta turn off YouTube. Turn off YouTube.
But I don't.
You gotta turn off YouTube.
He's going crazy. He's going nuts.
Turn off YouTube. I literally just turned it off. You gotta turn off YouTube.
Yep. Turn it off.
It's off.
There we go. Okay, now we can talk. Congrats, man.
Oh my God. I am an old man retired in Mexico. Oh, God.
Yes.
That is amazing.
True Trading Group. I joined True Trading Group because I'm worried about my brain, and I needed to learn something new.
Wow.
Holy.
Well.
Oh, Adam. Mike, are you there? Can you hear me?
He can
I'm
hear
here,
you.
brother.
He
I'm
He
here.
can hear you. He can hear
I'm
you.
here.
He's saying he can hear you.
Oh my God! My dog is sitting here wondering what the hell are you doing?
He's getting the good food this week.
I'm like a freaking wild man.
Man, dude. It's like a billion pesos in Mexico.
You have never seen. Oh my God! Listen, you have never seen a wild man until you've seen a 74-year-old wild man. Oh God!
Oh man, it's our pleasure, buddy. You're gonna take the cash, right?
Yes, absolutely.
Okay, cool. Because honestly, with all the chip shortages, I have no idea how long it would have taken to get a Porsche. So
No. It would be gone the first day. Someone would steal it.
Yep.
Oh my God, Jake, can you believe this? I'm talking to my freaking dog. Oh my gosh.
Oh man, I'm so happy for you. That is awesome. Awesome. So look, aside from the fact that you just won 50 grand, right? Can you give an honest assessment of what it's been like since you've joined True Trading Group?
Well, again, keep in mind my age, and keep in mind that I've not made my first trade yet because I'm working my way through the courses.
Smart move.
I also volunteer and help kids that have really been dealt a bad hand in life.
Wow.
And so some days I'm not where I can actually watch the whole time, but I'm telling you, the only other thing I had to do was go to the gym and work out. And this has given me something to do and exercise my brain and trying to learn something good. And I think you guys are just terrific. And of course, you know, Spadafora is just what a stud he is.
Oh, we don't need to inflate his ego any more than it is, man.
No, that's okay.
I'm joking.
Listen, again, a poor boy can afford those cheap stocks.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, I'm just. Oh, Jake, I wish I could tell you. I got to call my kids.
Yep.
Yeah, man, definitely.
All right, so here's what we're gonna do. So tomorrow, I'm gonna shoot you a text on this number. Is this the best number?
Yes.
Okay.
Well,
So I will shoot you a text on this number, and there's just a little bit of like tax stuff, like paperwork that I just need you to fill out, and then I will shoot you over a wire tomorrow.
That sounds great. I wish in Mexico the word for Jake is barking at the thunder. We're at rainy season, and so here comes the rain. But in Mexico, the word for hug is abrazos, and that just sounds cooler than hug.
It does.
And so I just, to both of you guys, I wish I could abrazos. Give you a big damn hug.
It's our absolute pleasure, man.
Oh wow,
Mike, are you wearing a zip up shirt?
It's a polo, man.
Oh, okay. The zipper doesn't go all the way down to your belly button.
No, it stops. You guys don't like my? I like my shirt. You guys don't like my shirt?
We do.
You know what? I just put on FaceTime. Can you see me?
Let me see. Hey.
Yes.
Oh, there he is! Hey!
Hey. Can you see me?
Yeah.
Yes. I could. Yeah. Can you hear me, Adam?
Yeah.
Nice.
Hey, your buddy.
Congrats, man. Congratulations. Congratulations.
Oh my. I don't even. Okay, my friend. I will wait for your text.
Awesome.
Absolutely. I'll hit you up in the morning. Congrats, man. Congrats.
Oh, man. Thanks. And Jay, say hello.
What's up, buddy?
Say hello to Adam. Yes.
Hi. Congrats, man. I'll talk to you in the morning.
Okay,
See ya. Bye.
Wow.
Awesome, man. Awesome. Another
Dude,
really, really cool guy.
Yeah, that is freaking awesome, dude.
Retired in Mexico, like, and man, what a guy. Spends his time helping unfortunate children. And let me tell you something. I can guarantee you, I can tell by just the character of this of him being on the phone for a couple of minutes, that money is going to work its way into helping a lot of those kids that need it. I can probably almost bet it, man. And that's why as soon as he said that, as soon as he said this guy is retired, living in Mexico, and what does he do with his spare time? He helps children in need. You know, like just someone like that, someone that is, because at the end of the day, man, like that's what truly brings, like, you want to talk about like real success, the definition of success. It's being able to get to a point where you have the ability and the means to help other people have a better life. And it's like, that's why we take True Training Group so seriously. That is why Adam, myself, the entire TTG family, we all work so hard to provide this education to all of our members, because I know I am living, breathing, eating, like living proof that this education and experience can better someone's life. Because if I never got this education, if I never had the experiences that I had, there's no way I would be where I am in life today. There's no way. My life would have gone down an entirely different path. I don't know the path. I don't know a path, but it would not have led me to where I am here now today. No way, no how. I didn't figure this stuff out on my own. So that's why, like, when I go back in my career and I think about my mentor, who was my boss at the time, and the people, and there's also other people that were working at the fund that were higher up than me. They weren't there were 5 partners in the fund. My mentor was one of them. But there were other traders that were much more experienced, obviously, than I was. I was brand new, that helped me along the way, that really took me under the wing. And there's a lot of people that I have to thank for where I am now today. And I just go back and I'm like, that's why I take this education so seriously. When people ask me, like, like, why do you guys do what you do? Well, it's because we have the ability to positively impact other people's lives, and it's like, yes, doing these giveaways, they're a lot of fun. And yes, $30,000, $50,000, that's a lot of freaking money. That's life-changing money for a lot of people. And to be able to do that and positively impact someone's life is awesome. But to be able to provide somebody with education and actually teach them a new skill that could help them reach financial goals, that could positively impact the lives for them and their family, is even more powerful than that. And like Westbrook, when I see someone like him who just won our $50,000 giveaway, and he's like, oh yeah, I'm retired in Mexico and I spend my time helping children that have been dealt a tough hand. That's beautiful. That's beautiful. And I could not be any happier that someone with that type of soul won the $50,000 here tonight. And I can't be any happier that, like, those are the kind of people whose lives, Adam, that we are impacting and that we are touching. It's like that is what gets me up, and like, that's success. That's why I love these giveaways. I really do. I think I like them even more than the members do. Like, I got all dressed up tonight for this one.
Yeah, me too. Speaking of members, please welcome Alex, Richard, Rustin, and Christian. There are now 16 laptops left.
Wow. Guys, okay, Alex, Richard, Rustin, Christian, everybody, welcome those 4 new members of the TTG family. Use the coupon code TTG121. There are only 16 laptops left. Get the 40% discount, folks. Get the money back guarantee. get the free laptop and give yourself a chance to be part of our next giveaway. Our next giveaway, guys, is going to be either a brand new Tesla or $30,000 cash. This giveaway right here was for lifetime members only.
Real quick, just for fun, ask, can you get the laptop if you live in Australia? Yes, you can.
Yes, guys, you'll get the laptop. Literally, we have members in Australia and New Zealand. We have members in the Philippines, Japan, the Netherlands, Italy, Spain, UK, Mexico, Brazil, Canada. We literally have members all over the world, and we do ship globally. And if
DHL ships there, we will get it to you.
Right. If DHL ships to your country, we'll get it to you.
All right. All right, guys, congrats. I'm going to sign off. Mike, take her home.
Yeah. Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Awesome, man. Awesome. So yeah, guys, so you guys use that coupon code. You will be a part of the next giveaway. So tonight's giveaway was for lifetime members only. All right. Tonight's giveaway was for lifetime members only. But our next giveaway, which is a brand new Tesla or $30,000, that is for all of our TTG members. All you need to do is be one, and you have a chance to win $30,000 or a brand new Tesla. All right, guys, listen up. What I would like to do now is actually walk you through and show you the entire TTG platform for those that are interested. Before I do, I'd like to know how many people are still here. Well over 1,000 people still watching us live. I'd like to know how many of you are not a member of True Trading Group. So go ahead right now, type the letters TTG in chat right now if you're not a member of True Trading Group. Type the letters TTG if you're not a member of True Trading Group. Zuber Koi, I love you too. I love you too. Oh, I love all you guys. I see everybody. I'm starting to read comments now. I love all you guys. Okay, who do we got? Who's not a member? Evan Freeman, Alex Kleiman, Just for Fun, June, Nando 1019, Darlene Carlson, Hadar Atzman, Jacob Harlow, Andrew Roth. Beautiful, guys. Awesome. Really, really awesome. A lot of TTGs coming through here on the live. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. For all of you that are typing TTG, understand that our 1-year membership to True Trading Group, it's an all-inclusive membership. It normally costs $2,212, but from now until midnight Pacific tonight, you can save 40%. It brings the price all the way down to just $1,321, and the next 16 people will get themselves a brand new free laptop. We cover shipping. We ship anywhere in the globe. Anywhere on the globe. All right? We ship to. Guys, that comes out to just over $3.50 a day. It's just over $100 a month with that coupon code. Use the coupon code TTG121 to get that 40% discount. I want you all to think about us as the Netflix of trading communities, because you pay one price, you get access to every single thing that we have. Let me show you guys what you're working with here, because you get access to some of the top premium trading tools and products. We bundle them together as part of your membership. Included with your membership is Benzinga Pro's real-time news feed. This gives you live breaking up to the second news alerts directly inside of our chat room. I can't tell you guys how crucial and vital and useful and important this tool is. My moderators and I, my members, we use this each and every single day. It matters how fast you get news. Okay? Traders that get the news first, they win. Traders that get the news delayed, they lose. I can't tell you guys how many times we have made money and saved ourselves from losing money because of this news feed. We get news as soon as it hits the wire. You can't rely on something like Yahoo Finance. It's like 15 minutes delayed. If you're going to be an active trader, you need something like this Benzinga Pro news feed. We are proud and happy to be partnered with Benzinga to bring this amazing tool to all of our teaching members, totally free. It's included with your membership. We're also going to be giving you guys access to Quote Stream's full book, Level 2. That's going to show you all of the market makers inside of Level 2. It also comes with our simulator that lets you trade stocks and options with real-time data, with fake money, so you can practice implementing what you've learned in the courses. Folks, please use that simulator. Prove you can make money on the simulator first before you start risking your hard-earned cash. You're also going to be getting access to our Trade Ideas real-time scanner. This is the industry standard when it comes to scanners, folks. We're going to show you what stocks are making new highs, new lows, have a surge in volume. They are broken down into small caps, mid caps, and large caps, whatever it is that you trade. This scanner will ensure that you are always focused on the hottest stocks on any given day. You also will have access to TradingView's Pro Charting software. It's one of the most commonly used charting softwares by active traders today, and you get access to this and everything I just showed you totally free. It's all included with your membership when you pay $1,321 for the entire year. You don't pay extra for any of this. Then, of course, you're getting 10 at least a minimum of 10 easy to follow, actionable, real-time trade alerts per week from a community of traders currently sporting well over an 80% win rate. We are fully transparent. We keep a trading journal on our website that literally tracks every buy and every sell that all of our moderators make, so you can follow along and track how we are all performing. All of our traders, all of our moderators, I should say, are required to upload their trading activity to this journal each and every single day, so you can see how we are all doing. You're also going to get access to one small private study group with any one of our TTG moderators. This is your chance to get lessons and go over topics that you really need help with, get that individualized attention to help speed up that learning curve. Then, of course, you have all of the courses, folks. You're talking about all of our courses. This is a simplified version of the stuff I learned working at the fund in New York. It's broken down into beginner and foundation courses. If you've never traded before, you start there. Then we also have advanced courses that are for more seasoned traders looking to take their trading to the next level. There's also courses on options trading, swing trading, trader psychology, crypto. There's even a course that helps you do your taxes. All of these courses are in text and video format, whichever is easier for you to learn. There are no special VIP or pro courses that cost more money after you sign up. When you pay $1,321 tonight, you get every single course we have. In addition to these courses, there's also a video library that has well over 100 hours of additional educational video content. These are workshops and webinars that the moderators and I have conducted covering various trading topics. We record those sessions when we do them live, and we load them up into the video library. Some of those topics I told you about: how to grow a small account from 500 to 25K, how to resist FOMO, how to trade while working a full-time job, just to name a few. You have access to all of this information when you join True Trading Group. And then, of course, our chat room, where the mods and I, we share our screen. We're live on the microphone. Evan, welcome to the TTG family. Everyone give Evan a big warm welcome, folks. That means we're now down to just 15 laptops, guys. We're now down to just 15 laptops. Use coupon code TTG121. Get yourselves that brand new laptop, the 40% discount. And don't forget the money back guarantee. Guys, listen, between now and the end of August, our price is being walked up daily from $1,321 to over $2K. Because why? It's important in life to know your worth. We know our membership is worth way more than $1,300. Let me put this into perspective for you. That Benzinga newsfeed alone, let's say you're like, man, you know what? I don't really want to join TTG, but that Benzinga newsfeed, that sounds pretty cool. I can use something like that. Cool. If you went to Benzinga tomorrow and tried to sign up for this newsfeed with the Squawk Box feature, which we have, it's going to cost you $1,400 a year. Well, that's pretty odd, because you can join True Trading Group right now for just $1,321, and you will get included that Benzinga Pro newsfeed and literally every single other thing I just showed you on this live. That, guys, listen, that quote stream with the full book level 2, so you can see all the market maker depth, that's $990 a year. The trade simulator that you get is $300 a year. And TradingView's premium level charting is $600 a year. Just those 4 things would cost you over $3,200 a year. You can get all of them right now for $1,321. And you know what? Like, I'm in a giving mood. Not only will you guys get a free laptop, 40% off, the money back guarantee, but we are also giving one free small private study group with any of the TTG mods. Okay. We're also going to be giving away one small private study group session free with any of our TTG mods. This is how you guys are going to get that individualized attention to go over lessons and topics to help really speed up that learning curve. Folks, our goal is to disrupt this entire industry. In order to do that, we need to provide insane value and results at a price substantially less than any of our so-called competitors. This is not a gimmick. We will be moving the price of our membership up to over $2K sooner than you think, because it is simply worth well more than that. And we know the value of our membership and we know our worth. Don't forget, guys, you have that money back guarantee. Anyone that's willing to commit to me, I'll commit to you. If you go through all of our courses, if you pass all of our quizzes, if you attend at least one private study group, we are going to give you all of your money back if you don't make your membership fee back at least once during your membership. So let me say that again. You can join right now for $1,321. If you do not make that money back at least once during your membership after completing those 3 tasks, I'll give you all your money back. I am so confident in doing that because why? I see the results that our members are having. But let's ask our members. Guys, my TeachD fam, for those of you that are still on the live, how long did it take you to make back your membership fee? Let me know. Sound off. Comment in chat right now. How long did it take you? How long did it take you to make back your membership fee, folks? Comment in chat right now. Let me know. Took Teng Yang 1 day to make back their membership. Took Roxanne G 3 weeks. Robert Clark 1 month. Diane Fig 4 months with a $100 account under PDT rule. Rob O 6 weeks. Took John Bean 1 day. Took O-Town Steve Shanghai 2 weeks. Took Willard 3 weeks. It took Edgar S just 1 week to make his membership fee back, and he had a $500 account. It took Christy 2 weeks. Karen Hurst, her very first week as a member. Bruce Sears took less than 2 months. Anthony Vega, 2 weeks. Took John G 2 weeks to make his membership fee back, and he didn't even trade for the first couple of days. It took April Mike's 2 to 3 days to make back the annual membership and about 2 weeks to make back the lifetime membership, and is making all of it back several times as time goes on. Absolutely incredible. It took Tanya 3 months to make back the membership, guys. So this is what I'm saying. You guys can read all these comments. I don't have to go through here. It took Jose about 2 weeks. You guys are seeing, this is why I can confidently offer this money back guarantee. This is no BS, guys. These people are not paid to be here. These are actual real TTG members that are telling you about their experiences. Okay, these are real TTG members telling you about their experience. The best way for you to get a feel for whether something is right for you or not is to get reviews from your peers. And that's why I ask our members questions. Like, I want our members to answer these questions for you. I don't want me to answer them, because me saying it to you doesn't mean anything, but hearing it directly from our members does. We are also 5-star rated on Trustpilot. Well over 1,300 people have taken the time out of their day to leave us a review. I welcome, encourage, and invite you all to go read those reviews. Factor in those reviews with all of the people that you've seen on this live stream telling you about, hey, I'm making money and I'm becoming a better trader. Hey, look how fast I made back my membership fee. They offer a money back guarantee, but trust me, you're not going to want it. You're not going to want it. Over 80% of our members are successful. You know, and guys, also, this is actually really important because the price you pay today is the price you pay for life. So if you pay $1,321 today, when your membership renews next year, you'll also only pay $1,321 to renew. Now, why is that important? Because between now and the end of August, we're walking the price of our membership up to over $2,000. Let's say by next year, it's time for you to renew. Our membership might be $2,500. So you might save 40% today, but next year you could be saving 50, 60% on your membership because you'll only pay the price you pay today to renew. And why is that important? Because I'm really confident you're going to want to renew because over 80% of our members are successful. Of course, you're going to want to renew. If you're making money, you're becoming a better trader. Why would you not? That's why that fact is important. So guys, use coupon code TTG121. Get yourself the 40% discount. We have the next 15 people to use that coupon code. Will get themselves a brand new free laptop. It's totally free. It's our gift to you for joining the family. And we do cover the shipping. We do ship globally. You actually have to enter the coupon code TTG121 and click apply code to get the 40% discount. You'll know you're getting one of the 15 laptops if you see the laptop in your checkout cart. If you go to checkout and there is no laptop in your cart, that means we have completely sold out of the laptops. Okay, that means you have completely sold out of the laptops. All right, so there you guys have it. Okay, that's it, folks. Get your butts in chat. We've started off the month of August with a bang. All right, Started off the month of August with a bang. All right. We're going to look to keep that momentum going. We're going to build on that momentum. We talked about a couple of ways that I plan on making money this week. We talked about Robinhood. We talked about small caps. We talked about the SPY. A lot of variety right there. Small caps, Robinhood, which is, a large cap name, but kind of trades like a small to mid cap, the volatility and the size of the float on that thing right now. So, and then of course you have the SPY, the overall market. So there's a lot of variety. Remember, in TTG, we trade everything: small caps, mid caps, large caps, stocks, options, day trades, swing trades. We do it all, folks. We are diversified traders, always scouring the markets to identify opportunities. We've done one hell of a job so far the first week of August. Green straight throughout the week. We're going to look to build on that, keep that momentum going. You better get your butts in chat, trade with us live, myself, the rest of the TTG fam. I know where we'll be tomorrow when that 9:30 a.m. Eastern time bell rings and the stock market opens. The question is, where are you going to be? Folks, thanks for joining me tonight. Congratulations to our $50,000 winner. Congratulations to all of our new members of the TTD family. Get your butts in chat tomorrow, and I look forward to trading with each and every single one of you guys. Use coupon code TTG121 to get that 40% discount. Get yourself that brand new laptop and that money back guarantee, and you guys can give yourself a chance to win our next giveaway, which is going to be a Tesla or $30,000. Thanks for joining me tonight, guys. If you haven't done so already, smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, turn on your notifications. I'll see you guys all in chat tomorrow. Have a great night. Later, guys.